hi. We are from group 5. Consists of me, Hazwani Rifhan binti Halim, with other 3 members, Aziani binti Azizan, Nur Sohana binti Suib, and Fadlin Shakina Abdullah. Okay, for this video, we are going to show how to run a Mancova in SPSS 28. I have a data set of participants. And I want to know the relationship between ages, that's the independent variable, and 2 dependent variables. The number of hours work and income level. I want to control for our covariate and year of education, which varies between 11 and 18 years. Okay, let's check for outliers and normality first. Go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Explore. Move your 2 dependent variables and the covariate over to the dependent list box. Click Statistics, then click the Descriptive and Outliers box. Click Continue, then click Plots. Check the histogram box and the normality plots with a test. Click Continue. Then click OK. Alright. Check to make sure that we do not have statistical significance in the test for normality box because we don't want significant here. If you have a significant result in this section, you have violated the assumption of normality. All of our p-value are larger than 5%, so we can continue with the analysis histogram. This histogram give a visual result of normality as to the QQ plot. Alright, it shows that it is a normal data. The stem and leaf plots will identify any outliers. We do have outliers 0.16, but this is identified with the circle. So I'm choosing to continue. If it had a star, this would distance. Okay, we do have one outlier, which is 0.16, identified by the circle. So I'm choosing to continue. If it is had a star, this would identify whether we can depend on this data or not. If this happens, take a look at your data and see if it's possible to remove that data point. To check for linearity, go to Graph Legacy Dialog, Scatter Box, Matrix Scatter, click Define. Move all 3 scale variables over metric variables. Then click OK. You are looking for a rough ellipse shape here. I don't see any cause for concern, so I'm going to continue. For homogeneity run, a custom Mancova, this is the test for the assumption. It's not the final Mancova. You run to test your research hypothesis, but in this step, I'm going to set up the Mancova for a new preliminary calculation for the actual test. Click Analyze, General Linear Model, Multivariate, move your covariate to covariate box. Move the dependent variables to dependent variables box. Okay. And move your independent variable to fixed vector. Click and means, move the dependent variable over the display means for box. Click continue. Click continue, click option. Check homogeneity test, descriptive statistics, estimates of effect size, and continue. Right click plots, move the independent variable over the horizontal axis box, and click add. Then continue. Click model, build custom terms, move your factor times covariates. I'm holding down the control key on my keyboard to select multiple variables, and I want to move a factor and covariate separately over to model. Click continue. Then okay. In the output viewer, look at the box test. If box significant level is greater than 0.001, it is non-significant. Use Wilker's lambda, which I'm going to do for this example. If it is significant, you'll use Bailey's trace. If we scroll down, Wilker's lambda here is not significant, so we can continue. If you get a significant finding, the assumption is violated and you cannot continue with the test.
We will also check this in the test of between subject effect. We have a non-significant result. So again, we can continue. Let's run the Mancova click analyze. Okay, general linear model multivariate. Morpho model change this from custom to a factorial. Click continue, then okay. Between subject effect, we have a non-significant result. So again, we can continue. Let's run the Mancova click, analyze general linear model, multivariate, and then change this from custom to factory. Click continue, then okay. We can see our means to look this. But we don't know at this point if they. Here we can see if H has a significant result. When we control for education, again we are going to use will as a lambda because of boxes that result. We do have significant 0.004. This is smaller than alphabet of 0.05. If your result is not significant here, then stop the analyze. Your finding we are not significant and we cannot continue. However, we did have a significant result and we can continue to look the result for evening test. We do not want a significant result. We can continue as this not significant. Okay, if we look at H and our work, we have a significant result at 0.042 against it less than 0.05. However, income at 0.08 is not significant. We can conclude that H has an effect and our work controlling for the coverage of education. I hope you found the video and please take a moment. Thank you.